Hey everyone, welcome back to WindowzTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost your productivity using one of the coolest features of Windows 11 snap layouts. If you're looking for a more efficient way to multitask, stay tuned because this is the feature for you. Step 1. What is Snap Layout? Snap Layout is a new multitasking tool in Windows 11 that helps you organize your open apps quickly. It allows you to split your screen into multiple sections so you can easily work on different apps side by side. Step 2. How to use Snap Layout. Let's dive into how to use Snap Layouts. Here's a simple step-by-step. Open any window and hover your mouse over the Maximize button at the top right corner. You'll see different layout options pop up. Choose the layout you want by clicking on one of the sections. Now, select the other windows you want to snap into the remaining spaces. And just like that, your windows are neatly organized on your screen. Step 3. Using keyboard shortcuts. If you love using keyboard shortcuts, Windows 11 has got you covered. You can quickly snap windows by pressing Windows key plus arrow keys. Windows key plus left, right to snap a window to either side. Windows key plus up, down to snap it to the top or bottom. It's a fast and convenient way to manage your workspace without touching your mouse. Step 4. Customizing snap layout settings. Want more control over your snap layouts? You can customize how it works by going to Settings. Then go to System. Then scroll down and see for Multitasking. Here, you can tweak snap layout settings like turning on when I snap a window, suggest what I can snap next, and many more options. This helps you personalize your experience based on how you work best. And that's how you can use snap layouts to multitask efficiently in Windows 11. It's a game changer for productivity, so give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to WindowzTech, and click the bell icon for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.